From old to new, it's time to replace the stinger pipe on the Alfa Romeo. The old one is rusted, so I ordered one from Centerline. This is their rear stinger with a chrome tip and stainless steel pipe. It's mandrel bent and came with a couple of scratches, some mandrel marks, and some silver paint on some of the brackets. I really liked the shape of the exhaust, but I didn't like the finish, so I decided to paint it my own way.
And I hope I got that on video. That was hilarious.
I decided to go a little oddball here. The white is a high temperature Rust-Oleum and the black is a high gloss black, again, Rust-Oleum rattle can. I really like the look of marbled paint colors on cars, so I decided to try it on this. I think that the white and black reflects Alfa's racing heritage, and I'm really excited with how this came out. Just look at the shine on that exhaust. Absolutely stunning. I can't wait to put it on the car. Onto the car on the back side of the muffler. As you can see, it's completely sheared off. Alfa's done us a favor and kept all the bolts and bolt heads 13mm and 14mm respectively.
Somebody made a nice home in there.
Unfortunately, Buddy's gonna get evicted. It's time to put the new exhaust on, and it went on like a breeze. Now it's time for the almighty sound test of the before and after. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon with some videos on the clutch and transmission of this car. Bye.